we are going to do some night planting with the help of Everbright. This is a headlamp set and it allows you to garden at night. Comes with teal, purple, pink, if you like pink, orange, and green. And the company also gives you batteries, which is really cool. I am planting some sweet peppers, the red variety, and some sweet banana peppers, and some orange peppers. And I think what this will allow me to do is to just have more time. I don't know about you, but the day just flies sometimes. So if I can garden at night and be able to see, that'll be great. Here in the Northeast, it's been really chilly. We are still struggling to get in the 60s sometimes during the day. You can see how good the roots are. The roots look really nice and healthy. What I do is I just loosen up the roots just a bit before I plant it in the ground. I noticed that peppers really don't like to be buried. You can bury tomatoes. Tomatoes actually like to be buried deeper. Peppers, not so much. See that? What is that? That was crawling all over my strawberries. And I was able to see it with the light. And yeah, see? What is that? Anybody can let me know in the comment section. So guys, it's about 9 o'clock and you can see it's very, very dark. I don't have a lot of lights in my garden. I'm going to take off the headlamp so you can see. You can see it's very, very bright. Now if I shine it that way, you can see it has a lot of, it gives you almost like a spotlight too, right? That's the back of my garden. So yeah, so you don't really have to wear it on your head. I mean, if you want to wear it on, it does go on your head, but you can see how much width and how big it is. Before, I would have to take a flashlight, and now I can just zero in, and you can see just the width and how expansive the light is. And there's even like a little spotlight here where you can zone in on one particular item. What I love about these headlamps is that for the first time I can weed at night. Now, most of us hate weeding. I know I do. But these headlamps helps me do the mundane stuff like weeding at night, so I can concentrate on the more important garden work during the day. The headlamps comes in 2 brightness modes: medium, which lasts about 10 hours, and high, which runs for 4 hours. It features both a red and green light mode. Besides gardening, you can use these headlamps at night while walking, jogging, barbecuing, biking, or any other nighttime activity where a headlamp would be useful to increase visibility. Overall, I think these Everbright headlamps are pretty versatile. It would even make a really cool gift for Father's Day. If you want to know more about the headlamps, you can click on the description section. I have a bonus code you can use if you're interested in the headlamps. Overall, I think they really do come in handy at night for a variety of activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay rooted. Bye-bye.